Right, welcome back and move over to the receiver on the Ford Roadmaster 500, which is a UK CB2781 CB radio from 1982, which utilises the Cybernet 135 chassis, which is a compact variation of the 134. So similar, electrically quite similar, but it's a totally different layout. So onto the receiver. Now it's a bit on the deaf side. I've already got it on the signal generator. So we'll see what we can do with this. The first receive coil is transformer 5, which is there. Now I'm looking at a synad meter, and I'm also looking at my oscilloscope. So that we'll just go through this carefully. So that's transformer 5. On some models there's transformer 6 fitted, but in this bottom of the range one it's not fitted, it's linked out. So we'll move straight on to transformer 7. That's just gained a little bit there. Transformer 8. Use a yellow tool for that one. Transformer 10. Transformer 11. A little bit gain there as well. And then transformer 12 is the detector, so we need a signal generator on a big signal, which we now have. I'll put the oscilloscope on the other camera so you can just see this. That's the detector showing. And we'll just see whether we can improve that. And the answer was yes. That sounds quite a clean signal. Just switch the camera back to normal. Now we'll see what the sensitivity is like. Yes, that's about what we'd expect. Now we'll set the squelch. Just turn the volume down a bit. Just make sure the squelch works in some way. On this set it's a concentric knob. You've got the volume and then the outer ring is the squelch. So it's a bit fiddly, but it cuts down the number of knobs on the radio. I've set the squelch to 4. I just need to make sure we can open that. And the answer is we can. Just strengthen that up a bit. And it's RV1 is the squelch preset. See if it still opens. Yeah, we can go for a bit more. You always need to check that there will be a point at which it does open. You don't want it to be so strong that no signal ever comes through, and conversely you don't want it so weak that you can't you can't squelch out anything above S2. So here we go. I've now put that to minimum, set the signal generator off, set threshold, signal generator down, signal generator back on. And that's tracking beautifully. So that's set the squelch. Now we need to see the S meter. Now the S meter, normally you would have S9 is 100 microvolts. I'm putting a 100 microvolt signal into it. I think what we need to do really with it only having 4 lights is probably just having it hover between the 3 and the 4th lamp on this bar graph display. Now let's have a look at my notes. RV3, so there's the volume control. RV3 should be the meter, and it is indeed. So I'll just set that there's 4, there's 3. Let's just have it on the threshold. If I put a stronger signal S9 in, yes, that's excellent. That's just what we're looking for. Well, I think that about concludes it. I can't think of any test we haven't done. So I said, without the manual, we can't do quite as much demonstration as I can when we have got the manual. But that's the correct procedure to run through that, as I worked from the circuit diagram some time ago. So that's working very well indeed. I'll put it together and we'll respray the case, and then we'll put it on the aerial and do another video as to how it performs. Thanks for watching.